Jack had been working non-stop for weeks. One evening, after finishing his latest project, he stretched his arms and decided to call it a day. Call it a day means to stop working on something, typically because the work is complete or it's time to rest. He needed some rest before tackling his next challenge. The next morning, his manager called him in. "Jack, we have a new project that requires quick decision-making," he said. "Unfortunately, you're caught between a rock and a hard place. We need to either cut costs or reduce the project's scope." Being caught between a rock and a hard place means facing two difficult choices. Jack sighed, knowing that neither option was ideal. Later that day, his colleague Sarah, who had always been skeptical about Jack's methods, seemed to have a change of heart. Change of heart means to change one's opinion or feelings about something. "I used to think you were too ambitious, but you really know how to get things done," she admitted. To unwind after a stressful day, Jack and his team decided to chew the fat over dinner. Chew the fat means to engage in casual conversation, chatting about everything except work. Meanwhile, Ryan still seemed to carry a chip on his shoulder after being exposed in the last project. Carrying a chip on your shoulder means holding a grudge. Jack ignored his bitterness and focused on his career. Regardless of the workload, Jack made it a point to complete his tasks come rain or shine. Come rain or shine means no matter what happens. His dedication didn't go unnoticed, and soon he was offered a promotion. However, there was one catch. The role required him to relocate to an expensive city, and the cost of living there would cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg means very expensive. Jack took time to think. There was no point in crying over spilled milk. The opportunity was too good to pass up. Crying over spilled milk means regretting something that cannot be undone. Instead of worrying about the expenses, he focused on negotiating a better salary. His final challenge in his current role was to deliver one last project. Some of his teammates wanted to cut corners to speed things up, but Jack refused. Cut corners means to do something in the easiest, quickest, or cheapest way, often sacrificing quality. "If we rush this, the quality will suffer. Let's do it the right way." His efforts paid off. The project was a massive success, and Jack left on a high note. As he prepared to step into his new role, he reflected on how far he had come. Each challenge had shaped him, and he was ready for whatever came next.